us pretty much the whole year to make this, and we're extremely proud because it turned out really nicely. And so the steps to make this, so what we first did was we actually constructed this entire cart. We went down to the wood shop room, we like picked out some nice pieces of wood, and we like put this together. And we, like, our original idea was to kind of like create this waterfall effect, and it would be like it was like staggered. So it would start up here and then like run down this way.
Okay, so I'm just going to explain about our plants. So we have I think 4 different types of plants. So we have some strawberry plants up here, and then we have some kale plants right here. And then we have some different kinds of lettuce here and here, and then in the back, I don't know if you can see, but we have some bamboo. And basically all these thrive and live in our aquaponics system.
Alright, so something that's really cool is we actually wired everything for like these light bulbs to work. So up here we actually got the cords and we like wired them so that, you know, all the electric circuits would work. And we have our light bulbs, which are our grow lights, which provide like a lot of light for our plants to grow. And yeah, they're happy.
Okay, so a cool feature that we have is on these bars, we actually coated chalkboard paint over the black paint. And so basically, you and your class can use like chalkboard markers to draw on it, and you can write things about like the fish schedule, you can decorate it, and like when you're doing experiments, you can just like write your data down on the side, and yeah, it's pretty cool.
Okay, so something that's really nice is we have like our main drainage pipe right over here, so you know the water will flow and it'll like go down. But there, in case you're wondering, there's like an extra drainage pipe over here, so if the water level rises too much to the point where it might overflow, it'll actually drain down this tube. And so this isn't as fancy as the other one, but it's just like for excess water in case, just to like prevent flooding.
Okay, so one issue that we kept on running into was that our pipes, they would be too like straight to have the water go through, and it would just kind of get stuck in the middle. So what we did is we added these strings, and what they do is they basically pull up the tube so that gravity does its job and actually pulls the water down. And so as you can see, we have strings here, and we have it here, and some in the back too.
So what this like pasty white looking stuff is, it's called caulk, and what it does is it's kind of like a waterproof sealant. And so we had problems in the past where we used hot glue around the edges and the water would just leak through. So in case you're wondering what this stuff is, it just kind of like seals it to make sure that we don't have any leaks. And it's like over here and, you know, around the edges, and then we also have it over here covering the holes, and we used caulk up here to kind of manage the water.
The cart is on wheels,
so we can wheel it around.
Okay, so these are our fish. We have
Swimmy,
we have Bubbles right there,
and then we have Fred in the middle. Okay, so this is an aerator. It just provides oxygen for the fish. So sometimes you'll kind of just see them hanging around this area. And then this right over here, this machine, my hand is like right next to, so this is a pump, and this is the thing that actually like pumps the water from our tank all the way up to our plants. And yeah, and then this is just the water heater right over here.
And you may notice that our system is not currently using its sprinkler. That's just because we wanted to have a more clear focus on the fish.
So this actually leads to the aerator that creates the oxygen for the fish. And just a reminder, you always have to keep this white thing right here above the tank, above the actual aerator. So yeah.